Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can easily set a data limit for Wi-Fi connection in Windows 11. So let's start. Now if this video will be helpful, what you can do guys is write down below in comments that it helped you for other people. Okay, so you want to go to the bottom on start and right click on it and then click settings. Now let's wait until it loads. When you're going to click on the settings, you're going to be seeing network and internet right here. And then you're going to have the data usage next to the properties. Click on a data usage. And let's wait until it loads. And right here, you're going to have the enter limit. Okay, I'm going to have the uTorrent here. So you're going to click enter limit. And then you're going to have the limit data monthly, one time, or unlimited. And you choose like what kind of limit, if you want unit of gigabytes, megabytes, completely up to you. So this is where you do it. Again, this is how you can set data limit for Wi-Fi connection in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.